Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series. If you're a fan of cutting-edge smartphones, you don't want to miss this. So, mark your calendars for January 17th, 2024, because that's when Samsung is hosting a global launch event to unveil the Galaxy S24 lineup. As always, they've got three models in the mix: the standard Galaxy S24, the beefed-up Galaxy S24 Plus, and the powerhouse Galaxy S24 Ultra. And guess what? We've got the inside scoop, thanks to some leaked info just a week before the big reveal. Let's dive into the details. Starting with the top dog, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This bad boy boasts a massive 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a jaw-dropping resolution of 3120 x 1440 pixels. It's like a visual feast with a pixel density of 505 ppi. Under the hood, it's rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a beastly 64-bit, 4nm octa-core processor clocking in at 339 GHz, 3.1 GHz, 2.9 GHz, and 2.2 GHz. Storage options? Oh, they've got you covered with 256GB, 512GB, or a whopping 1TB, paired with a hefty 12GB of RAM. Now let's talk camera tech. The S24 Ultra sports a quad camera system with laser autofocus and LED flash. The star of the show is a whopping 200MP wide-angle lens with all the bells and whistles: f1.7 aperture, super quad pixel autofocus, OIS, and a super clear lens. There are also two telephoto lenses, a 50MP with 5x optical zoom, and a 10MP with 3x optical zoom, plus a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. Selfie lovers, you'll enjoy the 12MP front camera with dual-pixel autofocus. But that's not all. The S24 Ultra comes with some killer features. Think S Pen support, IP68 water and dust resistance, a titanium frame, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus armor. It supports wireless PowerShare, wireless Samsung DeX, and link to Windows. Audio? Check. Stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos for an immersive experience. And let's not forget about the massive 5000 mAh battery with 45W wired and 15W wireless fast charging, including wireless PowerShare. For connectivity, you're covered with USB-C, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and more. The S24 Ultra comes in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. It's sleek, measuring 79.0 x 162.3 x 8.6 mm, weighing in at 232 grams, a perfect blend of style and substance. So, are you as excited as we are for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for our hands-on review coming soon. Until next time, Tech Fam.